This Risoni paella ticks all the boxes. It's easy, it's budget-friendly, it's delicious, and the Risoni cooks quicker than rice. A paella is one of those one-pot wonder which is beautiful to put in the middle of the table for the whole family. When making a paella, your choice of protein is really yours. In the old days in Spain, they would use rabbit and snails, but it's the poor man's dish. You can use really anything you want. So they decided to choose chorizo, squid, mussel and chicken. Absolutely delicious. So I've got to tell you about this ranch. This is the ranch called Noir, which is black in French, and I absolutely love it. But this polished finish cast iron is even more than amazing because you can't scratch it and it doesn't stick. What you realize in my range is I love wood a lot, and this cast iron's got wooden handle, my knife's got a wooden handle, even my little spice jars have got wood. Wood is something I really adore, and that's why I mix wood into my collection. Now the sofrito is the most important part of the paella. That's where the flavor really comes through. You know what I like about chopping garlic? When I'm stressed, it feels good. All it takes for the paella is 50 minutes to cook. Traditionally, the paella is with rice, but I've changed it with risoni and it's more forgiving. Now, to combine all of those flavors together, just pour the chicken stock. What I love about a paella is it isn't hard to put together, but the end result is amazing. When I was a professional in the old days, I used to do a nice little circle, which is called a cartouche out of paper. But Nadia Lawson showed me a trick, which is much more easier. That's it. All right, let's check it out. Here we go. It's simple. When the mussels are open, it's ready. And voila, this is it. My beautiful Risoni chicken and seafood paella. Easy to do, no time, and all the family is gonna love it. Bon appétit.